Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we'll be doing a tutorial on a lilac eye makeup. So today is gonna be like a full makeup, full coverage, and I'll be giving you guys every tips and every trick that I really know about. This video I'll be doing something on the lower lash line. I'll be teaching you every tips and every trick that you need to know to be able to pull off. If today is the first time here, I suggest you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and I'll see you in the video. Thank you. Alright, so I did my eyebrows off camera. I really apologize for that. So we'll be going into the video right now, and next thing we'll be doing is priming. So I'm using Lilac Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. Okay, so I'll be using that beauty blender to just blend this all up. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing is taking my eyeshadow palette from the Magic by Juvier, and I'll just be rubbing that on my crease using a circular motion. So I'll be taking that orangey shade right there, and I'll use that to smoothen the harsh edges drawn by that purple shade. Then the next step is to cut a crease. So I'll be using Lilac Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Warm Honey, the same one I use for priming. I will just draw a full cut crease on my eyes, around my crease area. And I'll just blend that in so that my eyeshadow can actually be pigmented. So I'm going to take that brush and collect a little bit of that purple shade. So I'm going to just take that around the line of that crease, just to get that purple to shine more. Now I'll be taking this lilac color from Wet n Wild. This is highly pigmented and it is very easy to apply. Just dab and blend, and you get whatever you want. So right now I'm going in using Anastasia gel eyeliner, and I'll be drawing my eyeliner. So as always, I'll just be starting from the outer corner of my eyes. I'll draw a straight line to create my wing eyeliner. Then from the end of that line, I'm just going to draw a line down meeting my eyes, my upper lash line. Then I'm just going to fill that in, and there you have it. The eyeliner is done. So the next step I'm going to go in now is the mascara, and just to get my eyelashes really straight and ready for my lashes, this is just the step I'm going to use. Now I'm going into my lashes, and that is Jumel 3D lashes. That is a mid lash, and it is super fluffy and soft. So for today, I'll be using moisturizer because my skin is actually dry because I didn't have any moisturizer on. So I'll be using Vaseline Intensive. So while rubbing this, if you're the type that produces oil around your nose, do not rub this around that area, okay? So the next step I'm going to do now is use my Duobug Invisible Primer, and I'm going to rub that on my face and around my nose as well. So after rubbing this, I'll go into my foundation, and I'm using His Beauty foundation. This is from Foundation Nation, And I'm just going to blend that in my skin using this pink beauty blender. So it's time to highlight. I'm using Elegant Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Warm Honey. The best shade to conceal with is using a shade that is lighter than your skin tone. So I would have used the shade Fawn, but the shade Fawn is the same thing as my skin tone. It's just like the same color with my foundation. So the next shade is Warm Honey, and that shade looks a lot better on my skin. So for chocolate skins and other type of skin, you can get your own, because I'll be doing a tutorial on that very soon, and I will leave the link on the description box below. So right now I'm setting my face, and what I use is Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So today there is no baking, I'm only going to set. So to finally powder my face, I'll be using Kiss Beauty powder. This powder is in two-way cake. So I'll be using the darker one for my face, while I'll be using the lighter one for my face. And this powder is in the shade number 02. Then the next thing I'll be doing is contouring. I'll be using Groove Flower contour palette, and I'll be taking the darkest shade over there. I'm going to apply that around my cheekbones. Now the next step I'm going to take is to take the lighter shade of the darkest one, and I'm going to use that on my nose. I'm going to use that to contour my nose. This will help you in blending, so you don't have to blend so much and your nose will not look very dark.